Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can cancel your subscription on Headspace. So it's a relatively straightforward process and I will teach you how to cancel your subscription. Now this is the guide that they've also given on their official website. So what you basically need to do is first of all, from desktop or your mobile browser, not the app, you need to log in to www.headspace.com. That is their official website. Now what you can do is you can also enter this link, which is the extension that will directly take you to the link. If you're logged in, it will directly take you to the link where you can manage your subscription. From there, you'll see an option of cancel my membership. You'll press on the button and then you'll be able to cancel your membership. Now, if the button is not there, naturally it should be there, but if it isn't, you can easily contact the help of Headspace. You can contact them, you can ask them what's the issue, and you can basically cancel your subscription in that way as well. This is for if you bought the subscription from their website. If you purchase your subscription from the Apple App Store, what you need to do is you will go to their settings, you'll tap on your name, and then you'll tap subscriptions. From there, you'll see the Headspace subscriptions showing up. So from there, you basically need to press on cancel subscription and the subscription would be canceled. And if you bought your subscription from Google Play, you need to open the Google Play Store. You will tap menu from there, then you will go on subscriptions. You'll see the option of Headspace showing up in the subscriptions list. From there, you'll cancel subscription and basically follow the on-screen instructions. If you bought their subscription from their own website, this is the screen that would show up for you, and here it would say an option to cancel your subscription when it's active. So that's all. This is how you can cancel a subscription from multiple methods. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.